Okay, this video is for you DIY Sur-Ron guys. So I recently broke my belt, needed to get another one. Well, to get the belt, you have to take the swing arm off. Well, to take the swing arm off, you gotta undo this bolt. Now, as you see right here, this is not how it comes. Your Sur-Ron is going to have this on here, and this is a 4-bolt. It uses basically like a clutch tool to remove it. Now, if you don't have this tool, which I did not, you can easily pull this off using a set of vice grips. Now, the big thing here is you just need to make sure there's still weight on the swing arm and the bolt won't spin, and you can pop it out. It didn't take a lot to do it. Now, if you want to try to buy this tool, I will put a link in the description. I found it on eBay. It costs around like 15 bucks or something like that, but it was in China and it was gonna take a month to get here. So I didn't wanna wait, so I took it off with a vice grip, and what I did is I ran up to Lowe's and I bought 2 of these. Now this is a M10 by 1.0. That's the thread pitch of this bolt. And went up there. Now I can take a regular 17mm socket, put it on here, so if I ever gotta change this thing out real quick and I don't have this weird specialty tool, you can easily swap it out. As you can see, I paint mark all my bolts to make sure that nothing's coming loose, but this should save you hopefully some time and headache if you got to swap this thing out. That's the only sort of special bolt that I found on the Sur-Ron so far that's been kind of weird, but yep. And if you do manage to mess up the bolt, you can find one from a company in Australia that will send it. I'll put a link for that too. So all right, hope everyone having a good time. Got the Sur-Ron back together, just waiting on some new brake pads to go in, and we'll get to riding a little bit more. See ya.